Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing and with what I think is going to be a new pair of favorite sneakers. So these Jordan Airship Diffused Blue are not new. They got released in January 17 January. And I really like the Jordan Airship. It is my favorite model. If I would be famous and had the opportunity to make my own Jordan model, it would be with the Airship, I think. I really like them. I think Nike does everything right with them. The only thing that they do wrong with them is the releases, at least for us in Europe. So some of the shoes we got several months later in Sweden, and only via Sneakers and Stuff. The only pair that I've seen in the Sneakers app is the Awake releasing tomorrow. So these I had to get from StockX. And with the Airship, I usually say that here in Sweden at least, where they cost around $200, we can get them cheaper from resellers. And I got these, not cheaper, but the same price as the retail price in Sweden. So via StockX, via resellers, I got them for the same price. The last Airship that I bought from a retailer, Alma Manier, they ended up costing me over $260. So now I don't like them anymore. The thing with these, I checked them out both on Gold and StockX. They have the same name, the color name, as the Bike Air, or Bike Air were the friends and family, but the light blue ones. They are also called Diffused Blue. I'm hoping that these will be navy blue, like these. I really like these. So I'm hoping that they will be like these. I don't think that they will be as dark as these, but I just wanted to say, I'm probably going to show you as well, that the colors on StockX and Goat were kind of different. So let's see. And another thing that they do well with the Airship is that they package them extra well. All right, nice. Oh yeah, smell nice as well. Not any excellent kind of leather, but absolutely better than your standard Air Jordan 1 leather. And the suede is nice. It's not long-haired. I thought they were going to be like the gray ones, at least in quality. Oh yeah, these, oh man, I really like these. I was thinking of getting me another pair of them when they were on sale, but I should use my shoes instead. Oh, these are one of the best Airships. So the diffused blue ones are not as good as the gray ones, but still soft leather, still soft suede. The suede on the swoosh is almost not suede. Different from outside and inside. And we almost always get double laces. So if you buy a pair of Airships that are majority white, you will get white laces on them. and then laces as the swoosh. So we have green laces, green, yellow laces, and with the alma mater that are in the hallway. And I like these better. I've seen a bunch of videos of them. I like them better with white laces. Navy blue is my favorite color, so they will be a excellent beater pair that I use my pair of shoes once. And since I only use them once, I'm going with the blue laces. But they look better with white laces. They will be a better everyday shoe with the white laces. But yeah, I'm super happy with them. And once again, I'm thinking I should have got 2 of them so I can have 1 pair as beaters. But I just use my shoes way too rarely. Really nice. Smells nice. Everything is nice. So if you get Airships Jordans for $140, you just get them. Whatever pair it is, whatever color it is. People say that the pair's releasing in Sweden tomorrow. You in US have had them for a couple of days at least, or weeks maybe. The Awake, that the leather on those are the best ever. But no, I don't know. Maybe I'm going to try to get them. So this video is not as much about this shoe, just more or less about the Airship in general. So I bought them at the same time as the alma mater pair that got released March 2020 something, 22. And they got home to me in Sweden after 15 days, I think. And ended up costing me $260. The shoes were $140, shipping $40, and then taxes and toll fee and yada yada yada. These I paid, I don't know if I paid retail, but let's say I paid retail, even though it was via a reseller on StockX, and shipping, etc. And I got them home, everything total $190 maybe. And here in Sweden they usually cost $195, so I'm happy with them. Yeah, I'm happy with them. Very nice shoe. I thought that, I don't want to complain at all. I just thought that the leather was going to be like the gray ones, and the suede was going to be like the gray ones, because the gray ones are amazing. But they are still really, really good. I can't even remember the last time we had a pair of Air Jordan 1s, the expensive ones, with leather as soft as these. And the leather on these are better than the green and white one. I don't even remember how the alma mater was. But after the gray ones, these are the second best. So the gray ones are the best when it comes to leather. In general material, these culprit. These, oh man, these are masterpiece. So yeah, I really like the Jordan Airship. I just hope that I could get them all for that $140 price here in Sweden as well. I'm not even going to lace them up. I'm mainly doing this video to try out my new ring light. So if you see any difference, let me know. I don't think so. Nice shoe, smells nice, looks nice, nice color. Nice material. Almost nice price. Yeah. Very good job. Nike, very good job. Thanks for watching. If you have any pair of Airship, let me know which pair you have and what you think about them. Really nice.